Here's a pizza I made for you guys.
Wow, Nature Cat, this pizza is delicious. I can't wait to eat it.
I totally agree with Hal. That pizza sure is delicious for lunch.
This pizza tastes like the Whole Foods pizza because I looked up the ingredients on YouTube.
Guys, I found something at our backyard.
What is it, Squeaks?
It's a bird from a different universe. Follow me. Wait a minute, never mind. But he's innocent with his eggs.
Oh my god, it's Red from Angry Birds. Where did all of his friends go?
Red told me that some of his friends survived from the corruption, but don't touch the corruption. It will get you infected and get you corrupted forever.
What was that?
Everyone run.
Everyone run. Get your computers, mobile devices, toys, foods and USB drives. We need to seek shelter. Nature Cat, save your foods with your cooler for later, and bring your microwave.
Okay, I will save it with containers and run. Okay guys, we've got all the stuff for the road. We need to thumbs up until the vehicle comes.
Get on Nature Cat and your friends, we will go to a different universe.
Wait for me, Harold.
Wait for me too. No, Harold, you bitch. No, 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 no.
Where am I? Am I in Imagination Land from South Park? I sworn I am respawned.
There's no time to explain. Let's go. Get in the donut place. We will explain what's going on with our universes.
So, what's going on with our universes?
I know what's going on. Our library computer has been glitched out and the glitch got out from our computer and started the corruption apocalypse.
Must be Rob from the void.
What, Rob, our enemy?
Yes, I looked it up on the internet. It was Rob from the amazing world of Gumball.
Run everyone.
Where the hell am I? Where did all my friends go? What's going on and who are you?
Impact from back at the barnyard. We need to get out of here. The whole world is getting corrupted and we have to escape from the corruption. You must be Mr. Piranha from Bad Guys.
Yes, and you're right. We need to get the fuck out of here.